is a little low. We just got one gear. There's a high-low box, but we've got it a little bit low gear. We could have upped them a little bit. What are these guys? These are wooden. These are these here, and these came from Opportunity.
Hey, baby girl.
Oh, wow.
Keep it in there, baby.
They already have spikes in them.
Oh, nice.
So I have a stack of those.
Yeah, 4x. That's what I was going to use. 4x.
This is so fun.
I thought I had that cleared out. I don't want to wreck the hose.
This is cool. Look at this engine. This thing is neat. No, this is good, Dad. Come on, Daisy on. There's Daisy. Come on, Daisy girl. Keep your ball, though. We're not going to throw it yet. We're going to throw it a little bit.
Distance on this curve is a little bit funny.
Oh, yeah. You noticed that, huh?
Now we're on the 12-pound rail.
Oh, okay.
This is all, there's no ties under this thing. It's just a metal strap.
Oh, wow.
Just laid on the ground. Which is okay for this weight of train.
Yeah.
Your train is a ton and a half.
Yeah.
This thing is probably 750 pounds, this locomotive.
Oh, wow.
So we're all built to a light and
Yeah.
That's neat.
Oh, that's the electric one.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
there's a couple of wheelchair motors in there.
Oh, you got switches even.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Holy smokes.
These two came from Opportunity Village,
Oh, wow.
and then we built the other one.
Oh, look at that timber there.
That came from Opportunity Village. I said, what are you going to do with that? He said, we're going to scrap it. I said, I want to buy it. $10, okay.
Oh, wow.
This is neat.
Man, 3 cars. Oh, my goodness. Oh, yeah, this is all track stuff here.
Yeah.
Oh, look at those couplers. Oh, my God.
Oh, those are miniature railway stuff.
Oh, my gosh.
So let's get off here. You know, you talked about having a lot of track.
Oh, God.
Okay.
But
What a sweetheart you are. You're just a sweetheart.